In today's video, I'm going to show you how to group blocks in Notion so you can move, organize, and edit multiple blocks at the same time without breaking your layout. If you're working with pages that include text, images, equations, or to-do lists, this simple trick will save you a ton of time and make your workspace much cleaner. This is perfect for beginners and advanced Notion users alike. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to group blocks. Grouping blocks in Notion isn't done with a single button, but once you understand how selection works, it becomes very easy. To demonstrate, we'll start by creating a few different block types. Click anywhere on your page and type /equation. Then press Enter to insert an equation block. You can type anything inside it for now. This just gives us a block to work with. Next, click below that block, type /image, and add any image from your computer or from the web. Again, the content doesn't matter. This is just for demonstration. Now, under the image, type /to-do list and press Enter. Add a couple of to-do items so you can clearly see multiple blocks stacked together. At this point, you should have at least 3 different blocks on your page: an equation, an image, and a to-do list. Here's where the grouping part happens. Move your mouse to the left side of the first block until you see the 6-dot handle appear. Click and hold, then drag your cursor downward. As you drag, you'll see Notion highlight multiple blocks at once. Continue dragging until all the blocks you want to group are selected. Once all the blocks are selected, they are effectively grouped. You can now move them together by clicking and dragging, copy them using Ctrl or Command+C, or even turn them into another block type, like a toggle or a cinch block. This is extremely useful when reorganizing pages, creating templates, or duplicating sections across your workspace. You can also right-click on the selected blocks to see more options, like duplicating, deleting, or changing their color. Any action you apply will affect all selected blocks at the same time, which is the real power of grouping in Notion. If you ever want to ungroup them, just click anywhere else on the page and the selection will be cleared. You can repeat this process anytime you need to move or edit multiple blocks together. And that's it. That's how you group blocks in Notion quickly and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, productivity workflows, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.